friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I am going to prepare mutton masala. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Mutton 1 kilograms, ginger small cut 2 tablespoons, green chilli sliced 3 numbers, curry leaves 3 sprigs, onion sliced 3 cups, garlic sliced 2 tablespoons, black pepper powder 3 teaspoons, meat masala powder 2 teaspoons, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 3 tablespoons, red chilli powder 2 tablespoons, tomato diced 1 cup, cilantro 1/4 of a cup, lemon 1 numbers, water 1/4 of a cup, salt to taste, oil as needed. First, let's cook the mutton. We are going to put the mutton in the pressure cooker. Along with the ginger, green chilies, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of meat masala powder, 1 sprigs of curry leaves and salt. Remember, when adding salt, add to your taste. Then we want to add 1/4 cup of water and mix well. Cook on medium flame until you hear 6 whistles. Turn off the flame and set aside. Wait until the pressure is completely gone to open. It takes about 15 minutes. Now the mutton pieces are well cooked and soft. Now to make mutton gravy, heat some oil in a pan. To this, add sliced onions, some salt and saute well. Add garlic, 2 sprigs of curry leaves and mix well. Let it cook until light golden brown color. Now to this, add the spices. Make sure turn the flame on low. Add turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder and saute. Then add black pepper powder, meat masala powder, chilli powder and saute well. Don't forget to adjust your spice level. Now, at this stage, add diced tomatoes. Let it cook until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Add cilantro to this and mix well. Once the tomatoes are nice and soft, let's add the cooked mutton pieces and mix well. Then squeeze some lemon juice into this and saute for 5 minutes. Then add the broth from the pressure cooker and mix it all together. Cover with the lid and cook for at least 15 minutes on medium flame. Don't forget to stir occasionally, okay? Let it cook until it thickens. Now, our mutton masala is nice and thick. Our delicious mutton masala is ready. Our tasty mutton masala is ready. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.